Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have a real treat for you. It's the Contemporary Solar Grid Light. This is going to illuminate your outdoor area in modern elegance. Yes, your house is going to get that $1 million curb appeal. Now, what's great about these is they are solar powered, so you don't need an electrician, you don't need an outlet. Wherever you can get a good source of sunlight, you can place these for a gorgeous look. Now, what gives this the modern look is the stainless steel construction with the grid panels. And it's got 5 LEDs inside that put off a warm white glow. And what's nice about the LEDs is they will last up to 30,000 hours. That's over 15 years. And these couldn't be any easier to install. Even the mounting hardware is included. Simply flip the switch to on before you mount it. Now remember, these are solar powered. They're gonna automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn. You can use these in so many different places. They look great on porches, patios, entryway, around the garage area, or even on a fence. And of course, because it's made for outdoors, it's completely weatherproof. Now we have a phenomenal price on these. Similar ones are on sale for $35, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. In fact, you can get 3 for less than that price. Plus, we have a Super Saver special that gets you a whole case of 6 for $54. One thing for certain is you put these out and you're gonna be the envy of the neighborhood. Head on over to Pulse TV and buy 1, 2, or 6 today.